and the reference. And today I'll show you the easiest way to remove or change background in Photoshop. It's our Photoshop, and let's open our picture and let us cut off this monkey and remove everything. Okay, you go to Object Selection Tool, click on it, choose Object Selection Tool and choose the area nearest to monkey, which will include all your monkey. I'm holding left click of my mouse and sliding. Okay, area is choose. Now release the button and you see this is how the monkey will be cut, but it's not okay because the tail is not included, so we'll do it again one more time. Click, left click, holding, no, the area be bigger. Okay, now it's better. Everything is included from our monkey, and you go to File and create new file, and here you choose your weight, height. This everything is okay. The main idea is to be transparent. Okay, now this is our new picture. Go to our monkey, go to edit, click copy to new picture and edit, paste. You see, this is our monkey. It's a little bit like too big. Go to free transform and we will change the size of our monkey to be like this. It's okay, but you here still are the areas which will not be transparent. So let us zoom in our picture and choose eraser tool. Let us remove those areas with old background. Okay, as I said, you will do it better in your project. Now, do it smaller. You can save this picture like PNG file. It will be with transparent background, or if you have another background, you can put it on it. Let's open this picture and put our monkey here on this sofa. Okay, let's do copy and paste and go to free transform and do the same as we did. Change the size of your monkey such as you need it. Oh, monkey will be here. And we can change its position. Let us zoom in our picture. Now you see that the result is not well done, so you can go to eraser tool and erase those things which remain from previous background. They were not visible on our transparent, on our PNG picture, but here you can see them. And we can even change our monkey. Let us go to lasso tool and select monkey's legs and tile. and go to transform and skew, and let us make monkey to sit like more comfortable, like that. Okay, let us see. I think it's nice and you can save your picture. Thank you for staying with me and hope to see you soon. Bye!